In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert social media icons into your email using Constant Contact, all in just 5 minutes. This is a handy feature to enhance your email marketing by easily directing recipients to your social media pages. To begin, you'll need to log into your Constant Contact account. If you're not already there, open your browser and go to the Constant Contact website, enter your login credentials, and access your dashboard. It's important to note that being familiar with the Constant Contact interface will help you navigate this process more smoothly. Once you're logged in, you'll need to open an existing email campaign that you're working on, or if you prefer, you can create a new one from scratch. Simply go to the Email tab and select or create your campaign of choice. Setting up your email first sets the stage for adding social media icons seamlessly. Now that your email campaign is ready, you'll find yourself in the email editor. This is where the magic happens. Look for the social block in the editor's menu on the left-hand side. Click and hold the social block, then drag and drop it into your preferred section of the email layout. This feature makes it easy to visually arrange where you want your social media icons to appear. After dragging the social block into your email, click directly on it to edit the icons. Here you can customize which social media platforms you want to include. By default, you might see icons for major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. But don't worry if you need to adjust them. You can add or remove platforms based on where you're active and where you engage most effectively with your audience. The next step involves entering your social media profile URLs. For each icon that you're including, make sure to input the accurate URL that links directly to your profile. This step is vital so that recipients are directed to the right location when they click on these icons. Once you've entered the URLs, you can further personalize your email by adjusting the style, size, and alignment of the icons to best fit your email's overall design. This is where you can get creative, ensuring that the icons align with your branding and aesthetics. After tailoring the icons to your satisfaction, click Done, then make sure to save your progress. It's crucial to remember to save your work to prevent any loss of changes. Finally, before you hit send, it's always a good practice to preview and test your email. Double check that each social media icon links correctly to ensure a seamless experience for your recipients. Testing your email will provide you peace of mind, knowing everything functions as intended before reaching your audience. These straightforward steps will effortlessly add a professional touch to your emails, driving more engagement to your social media platforms. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.